So for video journal one, for programming, the topic is you want to hear our thoughts and how I feel about to help me understand the industry better and to find my career path. Um, what I think about to understand what I think I need to know about understanding the industry better is, I guess, I what you've been explaining lately in our other class, management, would be like the hierarchy, who you need to talk to, and Mr. Smith even touched on it in the journalism class, like the approach that you need to take when you're looking for a job. And I mean, that's what even I started to think about that before we even talked about, like, trying to find a job, because that's why I was making the icebreaker emails to send out, kind of just put my name, in the space. So, and hopefully we can perfect that so it works out a little even better. Uh, to help find my career path, and that all ties in together, because I mean, it's so many things, different things that you can do, but I know I want to find the best thing that I want to do. I don't want to do something that I don't like. So I'm just glad that through this program there's so many different options of what to do, and I get that, like, you know you can dibble and dabble in so many things and also do things on your own. So I like that. I like that aspect of it. And yeah, I think some. I know one thing that I feel like I want to learn, get the most out of, would be like the writing, like writing the news stories, or like, I don't know. I think I tend to overthink them sometimes, so might be I want to work on that even more. And yeah, so hopefully it continues. I mean, I've already learned a lot in the program. I just want to continue to learn so I can be even better prepared for when it's over, because it's coming to an end sooner than we think. So, and that's it for Video Journal 2.